Network Pen Testing Lab Setup and Overview. In this section we are going to take a look at various points like how you can install the virtual machine, then how you can download and install Kali Linux and Windows operating system, and about network pen testing. Download and install VMware Workstation. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points, that what is VMware Workstation and how you can download and install it inside your operating system. So guys, now I'm going to show you that how you can download the VMware Workstation inside your main operating system. As I'm using Windows operating system, so I'm going to download the Windows version of VMware Workstation. So first of all, open your browser. You can use any browser, doesn't matter, and open google.com. Now you can simply type here download VMware Workstation and hit enter. So you can see here that the first link is basically from official website vmware.com. so you can open this link, and here you can see that there are two versions are available, basically one for Windows operating system, one for Linux operating system. So you can simply click on, as I'm using the Windows operating system, so you can click here. So here you can see that the size of VMware Workstation is 487 MB file. You just need to click on save file, and then we will click on this installer to install VMware Workstation inside our Windows operating system. So click save file and download it inside your Windows operating system. So guys, we have downloaded the VMware Workstation inside our system, and you just need to double click on its installer to install it inside your Windows machine. So double click here and click yes to install it inside your operating system. So this is the installer. Now it is preparing for installation procedure. Now click next, select I accept the terms and agreement, click next. It will create a shortcut and install it inside your Windows machine. Now it will install all kind of dependencies for VMware Workstation, and very soon it will complete the installation procedure. So guys, you can see that the VMware Workstation installation is complete. So if you have a license key, then you can click here and type your license key. If you don't have any license key, then you can try this VMware Workstation and you can click finish. So the installation has been complete. Now let me show you. This is VMware Workstation. Search it inside Windows operating system and click. So you can see here that VMware Workstation has been installed. As I had already some machines inside it, so that's why it is showing here. But if you have installed a fresh VMware Workstation and the first time inside your Windows, then you won't get any machines here, right? So that's how you can install VMware Workstation inside your Windows machine. So this is all about the installation of VMware Workstation inside your operating system, and in the next video we are going to learn that how you can download Windows 10 and Kali Linux 2018 inside the operating system. So thank you so much.